GNFC and GSFC, both of them are seeing buying. Stocks have gained close to about 3%. KPIT Tech is up 4.5%, and that's reacting to the Q2 numbers. Well, Q2 numbers are strong, and the company has raised its full-year revenue and margin guidance. So first, on the top line, the company has reported a dollar revenue growth of 9.4%, constant currency revenue growth of 9%, so strong top line. Secondly, margins have expanded by 50 basis points in the current quarter, and what is the notable factor about this margin is despite wage hikes. So the company implemented wage hikes in Q2, which negatively impacted their margins by 250 basis points. Yet the company managed to improve their margins by 50 basis points. So they absorbed the negative impact of the wage hikes, and due to operating levers and other methods, they've managed to improve their margins. If you look at the bottom line, you will only see about a 4.8% profit growth, and that's because in Q1, the company had a one-off gain. If you do the adjusted profits are up about 16-17%. FY24 guidance has been raised after a strong Q1 and Q2. The company is now saying full-year revenue growth will be 37% and margins will be 20%. They had earlier guided for margins to be about 19 to 20%. That said, Kishore Patil, the co-founder, CEO and MD, does strike a bit of a cautious note or a watchful note. He says the geopolitical situation, economic uncertainty across geographies is leading to a softer macro environment. We keep a watchful eye on the impact on our clients and their business priorities. And also, deal wins for the company have moderated. If you remember, towards the end of last year, the company had some very strong engagements from Renault, Honda. These were $100 million kind of plus engagements. So we saw that big jump up in deal wins, but now they have moderated over the last 2 quarters. So that's another factor you need to keep in mind.
Oh, absolutely. Apart from the good numbers and the guidance that has been raised, those are some important points about KPIT Tech that Reema mentioned. The stock has come off slightly from the highs as well. But as he told you, we've been